guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate an ad script using CapCut's AI. So go to their website, go to ad script, and it's going to open this up. So tell them about your product and brand. Maybe your product is a liquid blush, for instance. Describe the selling points. It's cheap, it goes on smoothly, pigmented, huge range of colors. Then you're just going to select generate, and it's going to generate an ad script for you. You can voice over the script, I guess. Like, I've been searching for so many products that have all the qualities I want in one, and this is it. This is my go-to liquid blush. It has a wide variety of colors to choose from, and the quality is superb. It's smooth to apply and doesn't budge all day. If you're looking for a good value for money liquid blush, then definitely check this one out. And it will give you like 5 scripts, and you're just going to select the one you want and then select use the script. And then here you are just going to add in your video, like your product video, and then you're just going to press the open multi-track editor, and it's going to go to like the timeline of the video where you can like edit even more. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!